I'm going to show you how to make money online using AI. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to show your face. You won't need to have your own product, and you won't need to go and create any complicated websites. Now, I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step, and you're not going to have to show your face with this method either. This is really important because a lot of people don't want to show their face online. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make money online. And we're going to make this much easier for ourselves by actually using AI to do this, so we don't need to create anything ourselves. Let's get started.
All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing in this video is jumping into the AI music stuff. Now, I like rap music, so we're going to use that as an example. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through step by step, like we're starting a brand new business online right now. So I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt right now, and then we'll jump into what this actually is while it's giving us the prompt. So I'm going to say, I'm going to start a new YouTube channel uploading rap music, something like Rap Nation, for example. Give me 15 names for my channel and a description. Okay, and then we'll let that do its thing, and then we'll come back and see what happens. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating channels like this, but we don't have to actually create any of the music or anything like that. This is another one here. This is another one here, Rap Nation. Or you could do something like Trap Nation. You don't exactly have to do the rap scene or anything like that. You can do this in any music genre, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting this one off, and we're going to be sticking to these three. These are the examples I'm going to show you because these are the channels that I listen to. Sorry, my phone's gone off. So we're going to be doing some versions of these. So we have this here, and we're going to go with just a random name here. We'll go with the Rap Room, but you could do whatever you want here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to here. This is a random channel that I have. So pretend this is a brand new channel that you've started. And then I'm going to go customize channel. And then what you would do is when you have your brand new channel started, you would put your name in here. So the Rap Room, and then you would give it a description. This is important because YouTube needs to know what your channel is about, or it's not going to promote it, it's not going to push it or anything like that. And we have a little bit of a description here that we could potentially use. So welcome to the Rap Nation, etc. It's a bit of a mess, but you would make it like pretty cool, right? Whatever you want to do here. You would put your chosen name in here. So we would put the Rap Room, I think we did. Yeah. Okay. And then you would save that, and that would be your channel description and your channel name. Now, I'm not going to save that because I don't want to change my name, but that's what you would do for YouTube, okay, to get your brand new channel started. So that is the first step. Now, the next step is we want to create a series of rappers. So what that means is we're doing rap videos, rap music, rap songs. So I want to create, it's a little bit different to like Trap Nation. I want to create a rapper, a AI rapper essentially. So let's create one. I'm going to say, my name is Frankie D, and I want to make my first video a rap video inspired by 90s rap music. Okay, so my name is Frankie D. That's my rap name, I'll say. That's my rap name. And I want to make music. Okay, now we're going to just see what that does because I don't know what that's going to do, to be honest. It's either going to give us a prompt that we can use somewhere else, or it's going to give us a scene. Okay, so beat style. Okay, so there's a couple of things that we can do here. First of all, we need to go to the app that we're going to use to make the music. Now, the app that we're going to use to make the music is called Suno.com. So go to Suno.com, sign up and create an account, and then go to create. Now, there's a couple of things we can do. We can do custom, and we can actually post the lyrics in ourselves from ChatGPT. I just did this to see what would come up. You don't necessarily have to use this. But what I'm going to do to keep this video simple, I'm going to take the prompt that I used here. I'm going to go back to Suno, and I'm going to go to So you can actually put in like your own persona and everything like that, but you would need to pay for that. But I'm going to go to simple. I'm going to put in that same prompt and I'm going to say, I want a 2-minute song. So keep in mind that these videos are usually, some of them are like long, but you'll see 2 minutes 18, 2 minutes, 2 minutes 50, 2 minutes and 30, 2 minutes 17, 2 minutes 9, etc. Okay. So if we go back here, it's got these songs that you can actually go and now upload to YouTube. Crazy. So you go play the songs. They're very, very good rap songs. And this one is around about 2 minutes long or whatever. So you've now got this rap song. All you need to do then is download the song. However, if you want to upload it to YouTube, you probably will have to have the paid account. This one's actually only 1 minute, but that doesn't matter because a lot of these are 1 minute as well. What we need to do next is go to canva.com. Now, guys, I'm trying to keep this simple because it's actually not very complicated to do this, but a lot of other people make this complicated. So what we need to do is we need to drag in our music. So our audio is going to be the thing that we're going to be dragging in here. Once our music is dragged in, we can then drag it down to here. But while that's loading in, I just want to show you something else. We need to now create an image for our video, and we also need to go ahead and create like a thumbnail, sorry. So I'm going to just take a snapshot of this image here. We're just going to use it as a base image. I would recommend you start from scratch. Don't do what I'm doing here. But I'm just going to do this for this tutorial to make a base image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this right now. I'm going to say I'm using this format. So I'm going to say I now need a thumbnail. I would like something similar to this with a nice car, but I want give it your own little spin, right? I want a cartoon kind of grungy type style. Now I'm just going to see what it says. What it does, because I don't know here, and this is sometimes the best way to do things. So we'll let it just do its thing, and then we go back to Canva, and you'll see that we can now bring our audio in. So our audio is now dropped onto here. Now what you're going to have to do is stretch this out to the whole length of the song. So just stretch this out here. We're going to be putting our image over here. It did take a while, but stretch it out the whole way. I've only done 37 seconds here. But now we go back to here, and we'll come back when the image is done. All right, so the image is really done, and I'm actually really liking the look of it so far. It looks really nice. What you want to do, and this is a good thing about ChatGPT, is you want to get your style right before you start doing your other thumbnails for the rest of your videos, because you can just basically replicate it over and over again. But I really like this, so we're going to download this. It actually looks very, very nice. So let's download this, and then I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to drag it onto here. And this is going to just be a static image in the video. Super easy to do. Boom. So now you're going to have a track, and you're also going to have a Lamborghini or whatever you want, a Ferrari, on your thing. So you'll play the music, and it'll be like this, and it'll be like all of these other channels here. Now, some of these channels do have video that actually plays. So some of these do have video, but that's okay. You don't need video. What you can actually do, so you can do this and just have an image, but what you can actually do is I'll show you a trick. What you can do is you can use a website like this one here. This is the name right here, and you upload an image, and then you can actually make it move. So that's another way that you can do it. You can make a video that moves from AI. Now, it's not moving crazy. All I said was make the image and the car shake like it's playing music. But you could either do that, or you could put a whole bunch of clips together and make an actual video clip if you wanted to. Or you could just use a static image like I showed you in Canva here. So that's really up to you. But once you've done, but you can just do this. You just drag the image in, you tell it what you want it to do, and it will actually do that for you. There's heaps of free AI tools that you can use to do that. Then once you've done, you simply download your video, and you go and upload it online like these guys have. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is one of the biggest things. Everyone is always like, I do this stuff and I don't get results. You have to put in the time. You have to put in multiple videos, because if you don't, it's not going to work. See these videos 8 years ago, 8 years ago, 8 years ago, and they're still posting today, which is very, very important. So this is how you can make money online with this method. Once you're done, download the video, Go and upload it to YouTube, and you now have a AI rap character that you can make money from. I'll see you guys in the next video.